There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great. And I know I can.
Yo, what's good? Kieran Yoyo here. Today we have a tutorial on this Takeshi trick. Hope you like it. First of all, here's what it looks like from my perspective. Two more things before I get into this video. I'm using the One Drop Terrarium, I think it's called. It's a pretty nice throw. It's a very good floaty yo-yo. And this video is sponsored by Yoyo UK. So if you want to pick up any of their products, you can use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. Okay, now let's get on to this video. So the first thing you'll notice is that there are a couple of slack elements in this trick. So you're going to want to make sure your string tension is okay. I know a lot of tutorials make you get perfect, but that's more just like a good habit over something that's 100% necessary. It'll make it learning it a lot easier though. Okay, so you're going to start by doing 2 pinwheels. And then, so what I like to do is instead of throwing it around my index finger, I'll throw around my middle finger on my non-throw hand. So I'll do 2 rolls, then I can like slide my index finger into it. It'll make sense in a second. So next, you're going to want to put your throw hand index finger on the string like that and do that sort of a whip. Alright. So that's sort of a whip. But you're not going to want to like interact with it, you just want the string to go in. Next, you're going to try and pluck the string on the like closer to you with your thumb. Right, so you want to pluck it. So you should land an amount where the loop goes over and then around your thumb and then into your hand, into your throw hand even. Okay, so once you've got that down, you're going to want to put a wrap going out and in around your throw hand, You're going to want to do a wrap going out from in, and also do the pinky ring finger pinch. You know, the like super common pinch that you do for basically every 1.5 trick. So anyway, hit, and now you're going to do a Takeshi bounce. If you don't know what that looks like, it looks like that, but obviously interacting with the string. How this works is basically you're going to let go with your thumb as you land the yo onto that string there, and hope that you've given the string, or you will need to give the string, enough energy so as to come around the yo-yo like so, and then bounce it back off. Right, so that's like step 1 in it. So you want to hit, and then as you roll off, you're trying to land the yo into that slack formation there. Okay, hit and pluck, twist, bounce, roll off. Next, you're going to throw the yo over this hand from the back. It's important to go from the back and not the front. So from the back, you want to roll it off. Next, you're going to reject the yo off this string and then land onto basically a double or nothing. Okay. So, you're going to want to go hit, roll, off, land. Okay, next from here, you're going to reject the yo-yo again. This time, you're going to want to pull the string through, right? And then you're going to want to put the yo-yo like that onto it. Okay, next from here, it's quite a dense amount, so don't drop it. You're going to want to roll the yo into that, right? And then land into the kamikaze like that. Next, you're going to want to throw this kamikaze over and pluck that string all together. this bit should look. Oh god. Like this. So reject, in, hit, here, and pluck. A green triangle around your throw hand if you done it correctly. From here you can pop to the back and land on that front string. Drop everything on your throw hand. And now you're in the green triangle that pops from the front. Our last bit was quite intense, so let me do that one more time. So you're going to want to, obviously, pluck, bounce, interact there, roll, pop and land, pull through, reject, land on there, hit, 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 and then pop to the front. Anyway, yeah, that is literally the trick. It's quite easy, it's quite cool, and it looks quite technical, so that's why I'm teaching it to you today. If you have any questions about it, hit me up on Instagram. You can message me on Kieran Yoyo with like spaces. I'm sure you guys know my Instagram by now. But yeah, that's about it. So slow mo's of the trick, and then you can be on your merry way.